Nexus 220 for about 4 months now, and I'm going to show you again on how to clean it. I clean it every week, and it's Saturday today. It's about time to clean it again, so we'll show you another clean out today. So don't forget to get your gate and just close your gate in there. The pump or water pump is cut off. Put your plunge in the middle, and then the bubbles are in the outer chamber, so we're going to close the outer chamber air valve. I don't really close it all the way, and then just open the inner chamber water air valve. So just let it bubble for about 5 minutes. So it's really nasty. It's not really all poop, fish poop. Some of those are algae. I have algae now in my pond. It's close to 4 months, so the green algae are growing, and then the koi are nibbling them. So all those little particles go in this inner chamber and get collected. That's why it looks greenish. So we'll let it bubble up for 5 minutes, and we'll come back. Okay, I want to share with you something while we're waiting on our inner chamber. The initial installation, we added the Pure Pond Bomb. It's a huge, big bubble. It's color black. It looks like this. It's really black. It's supposed to release instantly in your outer chamber for it's a live bacteria. And we also added the Pure Pond. It's a smaller one, supposed to be a slower release. We added that, and then the starter kit. It's a liquid form. We added that in our initial installation. Then after 2 weeks, we added another pond bomb, and it really works well. It was our pond water is very crystal clear, and if you like to have a crystal clear water, I suggest you put a pond bomb. But it doesn't last long. It's about 3 weeks to a month. It works really well, but like I said, it doesn't last long. But if you're just concerned with the live bacteria, I'm using now a micro lift. Adding it weekly, and it works really well for me, and it's cheaper compared to buying the pond bomb. Pond bomb I really like. It's just expensive. So you can buy the micro lift in Amazon. It's about $65, I guess, and it will last you 6 months to use it. I'm almost out, so I need to buy another one. The Pure Pond Bomb supposed to last you whenever. It depends on your pond, how big is your pond, how much you feed your fishes, and all that kind of variables. So it doesn't, to me, I have 6,000 gallons and I feed my fish a lot, so it only lasts 2 to 3 weeks crystal clear. And for this too, you can buy it for $50, and it's kind of expensive for me to do maintenance with this, even though I like a crystal clear water. Right now my water is very green, so I have algae, but my water is supposed to be, the quality is really good, so I'm happy with it. Okay, you can use a pipe stick or any kind of stick to kind of mix your microbeads inside your inner chamber. And you can also use a brush out all the nasty stuff outside your chamber. Since some of the, especially if you have plants in your pond, those little fibers go stick in there. So brush is really nice to use. Okay, we're ready to release now the wastewater. So this is our first clean out, not the first time, but in this session is the first one. I usually clean it twice. So as you can see, there's so nasty stuff. I got leaves everywhere. So you have to take it all out. When you have a lot of pond plants in your pond, this side in here, they get caught. So that's why you have to brush them. By the way, if you didn't see my previous videos, this setup is a gravity feed, so it's naturally flow. We're going to close now our valve for our wastewater, and then we'll release again the gate. So it's the natural flow. We don't need the pump to get our water flowing in this section, in this chamber. So this is going to be our second clean out. Then just cover it. Just add your gate again when you're ready to. So just close the gate. I like to add my water about this much, and then that should good enough. It should be enough to kind of clean it. So it's not as dirty compared to the first clean out that we just did. So we'll wait again another 5 minutes to get all this clean. Then we can turn on our water pump so our water pulse go working again. Alright, we're done with another 5 minutes. This is the second round and it's pretty clean. Look at our micro beads. So it's pretty okay, it's pretty clean. So let's go ahead and open our waste bulb. So it's not as dirty as the first clean out. The green is just normal. My pond water is green. I have algae, so. Alright, let's open our gate just to clean those in the bottom section. Our waste bulb. Open our gate. And then we can remove our plunge. Turn off the inner chamber air bulb. Then turn on the outer chamber air bulb. So now we are ready to turn on our pump. Right, the pump is on, it's really loud, and we'll cover this back again, and we should be done. Okay, but I also, every time I clean, I add my microlift bacteria, beneficial bacteria in my pond, and I just add it here as well in the filter. Adding the microlift, you have to shake it really well before you add it. And then just add it in your outer chamber where your microbeads are. I usually add 3 of these. Just add it everywhere. week I add it. And we are done.